My dear students, in my previous class, I already started sixth poem, When You Are Old, written by W.B. Yeats, William Butler Yeats. So, already in all direction and outline theme of this poem I explained, and in this poem 12 lines, love lyric of 12 lines. Today we can see once again, recall whatever I explained, outline theme of that poem. Today we can once again have a glance of this lines, poem stanzas, 12 lines. In this first stanza, let us see here, first stanza, When You Are Old, written by William Butler Yeats. W.B. is famous for W.B. Yeats. 12 lines. In my previous class already I explained, and let us see this stanza after stanza. First one, here first stanza, when you are old and grey and full of sleep. That line itself, that poet, he had fallen in love with a beautiful actress, Maud Gonne. He has fallen in love with that beautiful actress. In that present time, on those days, on that time, she was so beautiful, and he has fallen in love with that beautiful actress, and he had a strong passion towards her, but she was not in a position to realize a true love from this poet. So, in first line itself we can see that when you are old and grey and full of sleep, when you become old, at that time, when you are old and grey, means even your physical appearance, what beauty you are, but when you become old, grey means grey, your old and grey, white hair, when you are old and grey and full of sleep. Here she want to tell that, poet want to tell that she has to realize, means you will be free and you will be get time, and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look your eyes had once, and of their shadows deep. Shadows deep. So, nodding by the fire. So, when you are old, at that time, usually will be sitting at fireplace, means earth, H-E-A-R-T-H, earth. In Western countries, there, to maintain temperature because of snowfalls, one side of the wall with logs sticks. There will be what? Earth, H-E-A-R-T, earth. Continuously, what they will keep? A fire, keeping that long logs, and that fire will be going on continuously to keep that room in a normal temperature. For that purpose, here poet is telling, nodding by the fire means hobbling, sitting near that what? Fire. Take down this book. What I am writing today, at the end of your life, at least time you get, you read this book. Means poem. What today I am writing, you take this and start reading. Take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look. You read which book I am writing now. Present, you are not able to realize my true love. At least at the end, last days of your life, sitting by the fireside, take this book and start reading slowly. Dream of the soft look. Just you recollect a past moments. Soft look means just you recollect a past days, whatever the life we spent, our past previous years, you recollect. So usually when we will be on bed, we will think about our life, whatever the things we have done. But at the end we will realize, we come to know what I have done. That is the what time. So he is telling, dream of the soft look. When you were young, at those moments, memories, you recollect. That's what the poet want to say in this poem. You recollect, soft look. Your eyes had once, and of their shadows deep. You will be getting once, means you saw a person, your eyes had once, and of their shadows deep. Once here, you just go on recollect, and the person may come in front of you. Eyes had once. Maybe my appearance, physical appearance may come in front of you. You may get a glance of that my what? Personality, figure. And of their shadows deep, realize. You deeply recollect and try to understand how I used to love you. Every stage there will be getting opportunities. At the time we have to decide and do our things done. Those means at the time means your earlier days. That was the time where you have to understand my pure love, but you are not in a position that your beauty has not given chance to understand a person who used to love deeply, means true lover. Because of your physical beauty, everybody used to praise and thinking that they are the what? True lovers. What you thought. When you will be old, at that time, at least you remember a person who was loved you very much. That is the what here in this first stanza we can see. See this one, let us see. So, I think when you are old and grey and full of sleep and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look, sleep book, look deep. Your eyes had once and of their shadows deep. Shadows deep means deeply a person who used to love. And shadow means he was there in front of you, a person who was loving. And eyes had once. In front of you, I was there, but you are not understood my love. So that's what here poet want to say that to that lady. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true, but one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. Try to understand here, changing face. When here, how many loved your moments of glad grace? So many people, they are just praising, admiring your physical beauty, your physical appearance, facial beauty. How many loved your moments of glad grace? Everybody, they will be praising your beauty, and whenever you will be happy, at that time they will be what? Coming and praising. How many loved your moments of a glad grace? So that is what people, they are very much to come forward when you are happy and because of your beauty, and loved your beauty with love false or true. But what the poet want to say, loved your beauty. They only preferred your physical beauty, but you are not identify who is true lover and who's false one, false or true. You are not in that position to identify. Everybody, they used to come and praise your what? Beauty. Loved your beauty. That's what here poet is just regretting his sad moment, sad moment. loved your beauty with love false or true, but one man loved the pilgrim soul in you, questing soul. But one man was there, one man loved, poet himself, means here speaker, and even we can say that lover also. W.B. Yeats, lover. But one man loved the pilgrim soul. Pilgrim, questing, holy soul in you. Means that poet was very much deep love with her. He understood better. He was ready to give his life and even face all ups and downs, whatever comes in their life. But that lady, she has not understood. So that is here meaning. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. You means that beautiful actress. And one man loved, poet. He loved with truly, true-hearted, with pure-hearted. Pure love was there in him. He has not only behind of that physical beauty, but he understood inner feeling of her. He can understand when she will be happy, when she will be sorrow. Even at that time also, he used to understand. But others were there only. They are behind of her beauty. When she will be happy and her beauty, at that time they used to praise. But only one man was there. Whatever the moment will be there, he was ready to come forward and to do anything to her. But that lady, beloved, she was not understood. A real lover. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. Here, loved the sorrows. Maybe here, sorrows, difficulties. Here, at the time of what here? Grief, sorrow, sad, of your changing face. Behind your face means behind in your mind, maybe the inner the pain you will have, that ability was there in me to understand changing face. Not only at the time of happy moments, even when you will be in sorrow, I used to understand, I used to love, even in a bad, difficult situation. So that was my here? Love, pure love. But you are not in a position identifying who is true lover. But one thing a poet want to say, if not present, in future when you become old, at least end of your days, try to read my book, recall, recollect a person who had a deep love towards you by reading what book, you can realize, you can recollect a person was there, a person who used to love truly. That he want to say, that poet want to say in this manner. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true? But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. A person who was there, he can understand what? Holy soul, pilgrim soul. I understood your what? Pilgrim soul means how pure love mine is, that I loved you, understood, loved the pilgrim soul in you. But remaining, they used to love only keeping in their mind that you are beautiful. But I, a person who understood even your inner feeling, even at the sad moments which you used to face, at that time also I used to understand your feelings. So that's what here you want to say. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. Easily I used to identify according what your situation, changing face. I used to recognize what it will be running in your mind. That type of I am the true lover. That he want to say. So that is what here we can see in this first and second stanza. So in this third stanza, and bending down beside the glowing bars, bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled. Flee, fled, gone. How love has gone, fled, and paced upon the mountains overhead, and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. So, crowd of stars. See, once again, here deeply touched. How sad you will become in your life at the end of what your life. You will be so sad and thinking that you have not got a person who used to love in your life in all situation, and you will be sad. That I want to tell her. And bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur. Here, glowing bars, the bars of the fireplace, full of glowing coal. Means at least what you want to say, bending down beside. At the end of your life, that you may be what recollecting how the life you have spent with your life partner, and at the same time you may realize by reading my book, and you may recollect that a person was there who used to love deeply, and I have not identified him like that, you may think, and you may feel what? Sad. A little sadly. Both sides. Sad. She will be thinking, becoming melancholy, and he too. And even poet also. He tried his level best, make her to realize his pure love. Lady was not recognized, and the time comes at the end, at least before, you have to understand, a person was there who loved deeply, and if you want to understand my pure love, read this book like that, and you may feel sad. You will become so sad. Murmur a little sadly, how love fled. You may speak softly and sadly, how my love has gone. Love fled. That is what here a poet want to say about his beloved. So, with full of enthusiasm, you want to keep his emotion, show his emotion towards his beloved. So, that is what here. A little sadly, how love fled, and paced upon the mountains overhead, and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. And what he want to say here? And paced upon the mountains overhead, and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. At last, lady will grieve. She will be what? Sad, grieve over the loss of true love. True love. Here, hid his face amid a crowd of stars. So many people, they are behind you because of physical beauty, because you are so beautiful. But a person who was there, used to love truly, after reading this poem, you will be thinking, what great loss of true love. So, you will be what? Grieve over the loss of her true love, fleeing from her and joining a crowd of stars very distant from her. People who are near, loved true, you are not understood. Stars were distant from her, means people who were far away from you, you understood them because of what their praising your physical beauty. A person who was near and his love is truly appreciating, but you are not understood. Thus, the poet express his true intentions while his beloved fails to understand how love fled. She fails, so that he want to keep in front of readers. So, through this poem, what a true love he had in his heart, he want to tell his beloved, writing this poem in 12 lines. So, that is what at the end we comes to know that expresses his true intentions, his beloved fails to understand. So, everybody will get what? Time. A time will be there when to study. When they become cross certain age, they cannot go to what? School. So, right age we should take right decision, then only we can spend happy life. So, why we are all doing all these? To lead happy life and to create our own happy life. It is in us as well as our decisions. What the decisions we are going to take, it is dependent on that decision. Is it we are moving on a right path of our life or not? Destiny we have to create, means we have to write it ourselves. The days, in future days, what we will become, each step of our life is very important. Before to take decision, we have to think twice and we have to step it forward. A small mistake may lead unhappy life. Throughout life we have to go on regret what the mistake we do. Now, if we don't want to regret means repent in our life, means we have to take always right decision at a right time, thinking about future. Then we can lead happy life. That I want to say here. Just a poet, he was in a water that is there, say, sadly, sad because of what? Gone. That love has gone. So sadly, he want to tell through this poem, if not present, even at the end of your life, just you recollect, and the person who used to love deeply, and you are misunderstood, not misunderstood, not understood a person who used to love truly. So, that is the what here in this poem, in these 12 lines we can see. Next class, let us move to another chapter. Thank you.